What is Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium in relation to population genetics? What is the difference between genotype frequency and allelic frequency? Describe the factors affecting Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Illustrate the differences with suitable examples. The difference between mosaicism and chimerism, penetrance and variable expression. What is OMIM? Name and describe few important online databases and mobile applications used in dysmorphology. What are the health consequences of consanguinity? Define coefficient of relationship and illustrate this with pedigree analysis. What type of disorders are more common in consanguineous marriages? What are pseudotorch conditions? Why are they called interferonopathies? Define gene expression. Describe the various mechanisms of gene expression. What are the methods for gene expression studies? Explain the mechanism of epigenetics and how do they affect phenotype of genetic disorders. Enumerate the characteristic feature of mitochondrial inheritance. Discuss briefly difficulty and limitation during genetic counseling of mitochondrial disorders. What are the different types of polymorphism observed in human DNA? Give the practical example of use of STRs, short tandem repeats in diagnostic. Mention how the knowledge of polymorphism is used in SNP microarray. Give a brief description of replication of human DNA and how DNA is repaired if damaged. Approach to diagnosis and investigation of a child with intellectual disability and ichthyosis. A 4-year-old child with prelingual sensorineural hearing loss is referred to you for genetic evaluation after acquired causes have been excluded. Discuss the management and follow-up of a 5-year-old boy with abnormal behavior of recent onset on a setting of mild to moderate intellectual disability and high homocysteine and urine GCMS showing a methylmalonate peak. A newborn screen flags of a high immunoreactive trypsinogen. The 10-day-old boy is referred to you for further evaluation. How will you proceed? You have received a report of NGS for an asymptomatic child who has an MRI consistent with diagnosis of X-linked adrenoleukodystrophy. The boy is asymptomatic. There is history of similar disorder in his maternal aunt's son. He has one maternal aunt who has this one affected boy and one unaffected maternal uncle who does not have children. No other member in the family is affected. The variant is a variant of unknown significance. Draw the pedigree with above available information. How will you further examine to determine the significance of this variant? Neuronopathic Gaucher's disease types, clinical and diagnostic consideration. Etiology and counseling for a lady at 18 weeks gestation with bilateral enlarged echogenic kidneys. A child born to non-consanguineous parent has hemihyperplasia noted at 5 months of age. What is your approach to diagnosis and management? How will you approach to counsel a lady with congenital heart disease and history of exposure to warfarin in the first trimester of pregnancy? A child with history of photosensitivity over the sun-exposed areas with blisters, discolored teeth and nail is referred to you. Outline your differential diagnosis and approach to diagnosis.